Good day, ma'am. Good day, sir. I am Charlene P. Articuna, 33 years old, from Zamboanga City. My religion is Christian. My body height is 153 centimeters and my body weight is 52 kilograms. I am in a 4 years in a relationship. I am also a college graduate in a course of business administration, major in financial management. I am also a breadwinner in the family. When my mother died through accident, I have 7 siblings. I stand as their mother to my brothers and sisters. Sir, Madam, my immediate plan to work in Hong Kong is to finish my contract or more. Sir, Madam, my duties and responsibilities is to do the household chores like cook food, clean the house, do the laundry, ironing clothes, and taking care of the children. I want to choose Hong Kong to work with because here in the Philippines, even if I am a college graduate, I have 5 years experience working in a private bank. It's not enough to sustain my our basic needs. I'm the one only finishing my study. It can it cannot support it's not enough to support my family. I want to choose also to work in Hong Kong because it is a good and open country, have rules and policies, rest day to the employee, and most especially have a high salary to support my siblings to earn money for my future family. Sir, Madam, I have also working experience working in a Chinese family. I am their secretary with low salary. Sir, Madam, the assurance of my of my future employer, if they will hire me, they won't regret if they choose me. I am hardworking, trustworthy, patient, and honest, can easily work, and also can handle pressure. To my future employer, I need this job to work with, and I will respect them, obey also my employer, hoping that you will select me to be your to be as your helper. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.